Blackmagic Design also re-simplified the delivery tab one more time. First thing you'll notice is that they've moved the monitor into the middle. So the render settings, now you have 3 different levels of controls. You have the basic controls, intermediate, and advanced. The advanced controls will just unroll way more features than the basic. However, for most people, you'll be using the basic version. If you want Resolve to render the entire timeline as one film, you will actually ask for a single clip. But if there is more work to be done on this project, you usually want to export your timeline as individual source clip, which means that every clip in the timeline will be exported as a standalone file, rather than all the clips going out into one QuickTime file, for example. Next, we have our video formats, okay, which is basically the wrapper you're going to be using. Then the codec. It deals with most codecs now. What resolution you want to be exporting at. Now notice that even with the light version, you can actually export to 4K. Then it's asking you if you want to export audio. Then you can choose your export file. So you can either choose the source file name or rename the file for whatever you want. So you can save it as and choose the folder to render it to. Now going into intermediate will add more options like video data level. Usually just keep this to auto. The data burn in if it's the same as the project or different. And you can disable or enable file resizing or force different sizing for higher quality if you're basically stretching your image to a 4K preview or something. And finally have the advanced option, which will even add more features.